Hello my friend Nazir from Pakistan. I'm so happy that I can make you this video. Unfortunately in Belgium it's always raining. So we have a little bit of the drops here, but this doesn't mean that this is a very special pigeon I have here in hand. This is from the bloodline of Halla, so the ace pigeon long distance combined with bloodline Setna, First International Narbonne. From mother's side, this is a grandchild to Mira from the bloodline of the Golden Pair, and the same bloodline as Kirin and Tilly as well. Those are very, very famous. Look at the ring number here. The 330 from 18. Fantastic wing. Very soft feathers. Took a bath today. Tail is still a little bit wet. Look at the eye here. Let me show you the other side. A nice pigeon. This is the basic pigeon as you requested me. One of the basic pigeons for your new breeding loft for the long distance pairs. Good luck. Regards from Belgium.